Sir, sir. Okay, Cheryl and Julius is becoming weirder by the minute. We don't know bakit kami nandito sa dulo nito. Hindi ko alam, baka meron, hindi ko alam na meron palang... Ah! Oh my God! Oh my God! May nagpaputok! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Sir? Oh my God! Sir, what's happening? Oh my God! Cheryl, Julius! Nagpaputok! Nagpaputok yung mga baril! Bakit? Oh my God! Oh my God! Naka-almas na rin! Naka-almas! At may mga rilis! Hindi na tayo ngayon! Nakarinig tayo na! Oh my God! Sinidisperse kami! Sinidisperse kami! Tapos, pagkaroon ng putukan!
We have not verified who the perpetrators were.
Don't push!
I am here to make sure of everyone's safety.
Ayan.
Okay? I cannot answer anymore until I go inside. My only order so far was to secure the centers and to secure the CCTV room so we can make sure who entered, where they entered from. After that, I have no further information. There have been no reports of any casualty, and I am not here to arrest Senator Bato. Okay? I am here to, in fact, to secure him.